Hi everyone, in today's video I'm going to teach you how to insert an image outside of cells in Google Sheets in just a few steps. Okay, so let's get started. So what we're gonna do is, of course, we have to open the Google Sheet website or go to and open a file or document we wanted to insert an image. So once the file is open, we're good to go. So I have here a sample page, a blank page. So what we're gonna do to in order for us to insert an image, go to the top left corner and you can see the insert word. Click that one and go to image. So we have here two options: the insert image in cell and insert image over cells. So all we need to do is choose the insert image over cells. So this thing will pop up. So there are a lot of options here. So I'm going to go Google Images. So here we can search any image we want to insert. So I'll choose car. Okay, and select any types of image here. So I'm going to select this one and click this insert button. So that's it, guys. So we successfully insert an image outside of the cells in Google Sheets. So thank you. I hope you enjoy and learn from these quick tutorials. Please don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials in Google Sheets. Thank you.